What is your name?
My name is Judy Piña Verdi.
How old are you?
I'm 38 years old,
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have son or daughter?
Yes, I have a son and daughter.
How old are they?
The eldest one is 18 years old and the second one is 14 years old and the third one is 12 years old and the youngest one, my daughter, is 7 years old.
How long you have been working in Hong Kong?
I'm 11 months.
Do you have working experience in other countries?
Yes, I have experience in Kuwait.
How long you have been working with your current employer in Hong Kong?
11 months.
Where is your latest employer living in?
Yao Tsong Kowloon,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
627.
How many family members are they?
3 children and 2 adults.
Okay, how old the kids?
The kids is the youngest one is 14 years old and the second one is 10 years old and the third one is 3 years old.
Okay. Would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up 7 a.m. and I finish my work at 10:30 in the evening.
Okay, so in the morning, do you prepare the breakfast?
No.
Okay. How about preparing for the kids' breakfast?
Yes, the lunch times I prepare a food.
Mm-hmm. Then, do you bring them to school?
Yes, I bring in the school
Then,
and then the evening I cook the food for them.
do you do the household chores?
Yes, I
Like
do.
what?
Cleaning the house, cleaning the laundry dress for the baby and wash the clothes for the
Okay,
adults.
so do you go to market?
No,
Okay. You prepare dinner what time?
I prepare 6 p.m. in the evening.
Okay, what time do you eat for the dinner?
7:30,
Until what time you go to sleep?
10:30.
Where will you go on your holiday?
What no? Sunday.
Where will you go on your
I
holiday?
go to the church and I go to my friends.
Okay, what kind of household chores are you good for?
I good for taking of a baby, children and cleaning the house also and cooking.
Okay, so what is your job in your country before you came to Hong Kong?
My job in the Philippines before is roving, sampling, and waitress.
Okay, thank you.